register our receiver, and let's say the name of my receiver will be my receiver. Okay, let's click on finish. And here inside the receiver, now you can see that I have got a constructor for my receiver in case I want to initialize it. Otherwise, I've got a new not yet implemented code here, but I don't want to do that because I want to rewrite my code here. Okay, so I would probably take an action. I would register my receiver for an action, and then I'm going to perform my code here. Okay, so let's just go to Android manifest.xml and let's see what all actions are available which we can use for the receiver at the moment. Okay, so let's go to your project, open your Android manifest file. Within this Android manifest file, you can see that if we go a little down here, automatically our receiver has been registered here. Okay, and now within the body of the receiver, we have to specify the actions. Okay, and let's say now we can register an action with the name action. Oh, okay. सही तो है. Within the receiver, सबसे पहले मेरे को एक intent filter लगाना पड़ेगा, and from the intent filter we have to specify the action. Okay, clear? And now the action will have a name, and now you can see that we have many actions available. Let's say power connected, okay, power disconnected, action shutdown, that means you're turning off your phone, airplane mode, battery changed, battery low, battery okay, boot completed, camera button has been clicked, date changed. There are many events here. Okay, so now let's say I would like to go for something like phone connected, action power connected. Okay, let's say मैंने ये action ले लिया, action power connected. Okay, clear? Now clear? So now we have specified an action for action power connected. So now as soon as this action will occur on the phone, automatically the phone will broadcast this action. Okay, ब्रॉडकास्ट करने की वजह से जितनी भी एप्लीकेशन रिसीवर्स होंगे फोन के अंदर, उन सबको ये ब्रॉडकास्ट मिल जाएगा कि फोन पावर से कनेक्ट हो गया. एंड नाउ इफ यू वांट टू एग्जीक्यूट समथिंग on your phone, then you can write that code within your on receiver. Okay, so your current receiver, that is my receiver, is listening for the actions power connected. As soon as this action occurs, your on receive will execute, and here you are going to display some code. So let's say at the moment I just simply want to do something like toast dot make text. Okay, I would like to get started with get application context. Okay, or not get application context, we'll receive the context because we have the context at the top here. Okay, context, then I'm going to say phone is connected to battery, to power. Okay, and then we'll do something like toast dot length long dot show. Okay, so what we did, quickly we have written a simple code that phone is connected to power. We can save that. So this is how we have got our broadcast receiver registered, and we can simply test the application now. Okay, so let's just install the application on phone. Let's say I would like to run this application on my device. Here is my device. and at the moment the application is running. Okay, you can go and check for the receivers in your settings, wherein in the services you will get the list of the receivers which are listing on your device. Then let's say if I connect that with power, so as soon as I have connected that with power, at the toast I have got phone is connected to power. Okay, so the broadcast receiver has been received, that a broadcast action has been performed as soon as we have connected to our machine, and then the toast will go after a long duration. Okay, so I hope this part is clear.